So now we're all docked up, we got the boat shut down. We hooked up to shore power, but we're still on generator power. So follow me and I'll show you what goes through my shutdown process and switching over to shore power down below. Right this way.
Hey guys, Captain Keith with MarineMax in Clearwater. We've been out on the 54 Kilo today and just come back into the dock. And I'm just going to give you a brief run through on switching over from your generator power to shore power. This 54 is a little unique, but there are still some similarities in some other boats. This boat also has the CZone system on it. So everything's kind of pre-programmed in there. So if you're on the boat at the dock, if you're docked away with power, if you're at sea, you've got different modes in there and it'll turn on and off certain things on your boat. So we just came in, we just plugged the shore power cord in. It's showing I've got shore power available, but my selector is still on the generator here. So I'm gonna shut that off and go over here to shore. And so now I've got my power coming from my shore power cord. The start stop for the generator is over here on the bottom right here. So now my generator is off. Then on this CZone, right now I'm in controls, so I can go through and pick and choose individual items I want to have on or off on here. But if I just go here to the menu button, or they call it the hamburger, if I go to modes, tap on that, come on, finger work. So right now we're at sea and that's active. So here's some other options I've got. So now if we're gonna leave the boat, you're gonna walk away from it, you're done for the day, you're gonna be docked away with power. Right now it's inactive, so I hit docked away with power. I go over here, hold the mode, hit the mode button. That just shut off. And then all the systems on the boat just shut down. Also, I'm gonna kill the batteries to the engines, but and leave all the rest of the stuff back. It just makes it really simple, really easy. So hit the at sea button before you take off. You come back, you're either docked with power when you're on the boat, so your television, your lights on AC and all that stuff's all working. When you leave, you don't need all that running. You just go through, hit docked away with power, and it'll switch everything for you. So I hope this was a quick little run through, it was informative for you. Remember, you can check everything out at MarineMax.com. Stop by your local MarineMax stores. Thanks for watching. See you guys out on the water.